Do you love wearing wigs but hate that the wig is hot at the end of the day or throughout the day, just so hot, and you would really like a wig that has ventilation? Well, if this is you, stay tuned as I review this wig, which answers all your questions. What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Auntie TT and I'd like to take a big old fat welcome to you. In this video, I'll be reviewing a wig by Bobbi Boss, and that's the wig that I'm currently wearing. So without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Original. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say no, 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 no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Body nice. See, I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them I got me hypnotized. Them I make a bad man feel alright. Yeah, yeah. Man, I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her me she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
no, 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 no.
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
Just say
Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place. Original bad man, mash up the place. In a bad man, mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So they really your number one I control. So they really meant for the girls when they come through. Come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to really want. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in and me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know.
Now that you have watched me install a wig, let's go over some specs about the wig. This wig, I have it in a size Avri. I have it in the color HL27S Berry. This wig claims to be a 3-part wig. It is a 13x4 deep lace. It is mid-fresh, which means safe and clean cap. Blocks UV rays, is antibacterial, and it has great ventilation. It also says that it is advanced protection. It is pre-plucked. It has a pre-plucked hairline. It does come in special colors, and it is premium synthetic. It does come with baby hairs. It does have HD transparent lace. It is premium synthetic, premium high heat fiber, safe heat styling. It doesn't say how many degrees it is heat safe up to, but it does say that it is heat safe. It does have it does claim on the card to be MEDIFRESH safe and clean cap. So I had to test out the claim, so I couldn't just wear the wig just for the video. So some of the things that I did in order to test out some of the claims on the card was I wore the wig for longer than just the video. So I'd say about 4 to 5 hours, because I work from home. So to wear it and go outside wasn't feasible today. So maybe on a different day I'll actually wear it outside, but as the date of filming, I only wore the wig inside for 4 to 5 hours. Some of the claims does prove to be true, and the claim that I'm referring to is the great ventilation. My recording space is very hot, so anytime I wear a wig, I have lights all over the place and fans just going on because I'm hot. But with this one, I was not very hot. I did have 1 fan on versus the 3 that I usually have, so that says a lot right there. So yeah, it does come with a free part like it says. So can you see, like, I could go all the way across and part anywhere, so that's a great plus. So if you prefer a left, a right, or a middle part, this wig is great. I do love the color that I got. I was scared because it says berry and I thought it would be purple. I thought it would be, I don't know what I thought it would be. I don't know what I thought it would be, because it doesn't. I think I got the one on the stock card and it looked black to me, and I think it looked black on the website if I remember, but on me it's like a blue and purple mix. And sis, you know I'm here for it. Auntie TT is here for the colors. So why be boring all the time and wear a 1B? I mean, nothing wrong with 1B if that's what you like. But, you know, venture out. You know, we had a whole pandemic. Let's do something different. You know, get out of our comfort box. And yeah, I think this one is really giving me this out of my comfort box level, and I'm just loving it. I don't know if you can see the color. It's like a purple, bluish. I don't know. I'm just here for it. I'm here for it. Bobbi Boss, I'm here for it. Okay, I don't know what else to say about it, but let me give you guys a 360 and y'all could be the judge of what y'all think about the wig, because Auntie Titi loves the wig. You know, she loves the wig. Yeah, so that's it. That's all I have. Besides, I love the wig. What would I rate the wig out of 10? I'll say 8.5 because I could definitely see me rocking this wig on a regular. I love the curls that I did. Oh yeah, by the way, here's what it looked like. Can you see? Side by side. I'm trying to, yeah. So here's what it looked like, and here's how I did mine. You know, Auntie T's extra. She gotta be the rich auntie walking in the barbecue like, yes, honey, what? Yeah, that's Auntie Titi. You know, that's okay. That's Auntie Titi in her head. So don't come for me. That's Auntie Titi in her head. Okay. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I really love her. I love Avri. So yeah, if you got to the end of the video, I'd like to say a big old fat welcome to you. You're the real MVP of Auntie Titi's world because you just watched an entire video of her rambling about this beautiful wig that I think y'all should all get. So if you like this video and this is content that resonates with you, I say go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Share, let another auntie know, a cousin, a mama and them, a daddy and them. Let them watch. You know, if they don't like wigs, they can at least join the music, enjoy the music. You know what I mean? So yeah, so if you loved the video and the wig and the color of the wig that Auntie Titi selected, leave a comment down in the comment section and just let me know your thoughts. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. And I'll see you in the next week. Bye.